Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, and I know that all of you loved my last video, which was step by step pedicure at home. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you another important tutorial for your beautiful hands, and yes, it is step by step manicure at home. So ladies, your hands and nails needs just as much attention and maintenance that you provide to the rest of your body. Here is a simple guide that you can follow to give yourself a manicure at home. Before starting the video, if you guys are new here, please do subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss any of the important videos. So without doing any further delay, let's get started the video. So before you start the process, you need to gather all the manicure tools which will you need to give yourself the perfect manicure. So guys, these are the items which you will need while doing this process. So you will need a bowl with hot water, some salt, nail polish remover, nail clipper and filler, cotton pads, cuticle pusher, cuticle cream, hand moisturizer and scrubber, a base coat for the nails, and your favorite nail polish. So to start off, remove the nail polish that you are currently wearing. Use a nail polish remover and cotton pads to remove your old nail polish gently. And before that, open all the accessories that you are currently wearing. So now I am removing all my old nail polish. And now it is clear. And the next step is clip and file your nails. So use the nail clippers to trim your nails. Avoid cutting them too short. Then use the nail file to shape them. If you want to keep it simple, square shaped nails with rounded edges or simple rounded nails are best, but I prefer square shaped. While filing your nails, be gentle and avoid dragging the file with excessive force. Avoid filing them too short. Just smoothen the lines and rough edges left behind by the nail clipper. So if you like square shape, then trim your nails like the way I am doing. So now my nails are ready for the next step. So guys, here is the most relaxing part of the process, which is soak your nails and your hands. For that, take a big glass bowl, big enough to hold your palms, and fill it with warm water. Add some salt and some body shampoo or any other cleanser and mix it very well. Now soak your hands in it for a few minutes, like maximum 5 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes you need to hold your hands in the warm water. Soaking the cuticles helps soften them. It loosens up the dirt and dead skin cells. Avoid over soaking your hands and nails as it can damage them. Now your hands are ready to get more pamper. Dry out your hands with clean towel. So now moving on to the next step, which is apply cuticle cream and prepare the cuticles. If you have any cuticle cream, you can apply it, but I am here applying coconut oil on my nails. So now I am taking a cuticle pusher and try to prepare my nails or cuticles. But guys, as I don't have any hard cuticles on my nails, so I'm just removing my dead cell of my nails by the help of the file. Then again soaking my hands on the same water. Now next step is scrub your nails, and for that I am using any normal scrubber and apply it on my hands and scrub it at least 3 to 4 minutes. And be sure to clean between your fingers, on the back of your hands and under your nails. Use a gentle nail brush to clean the nails and the skin around them to remove any traces of dirt. And then rinse with warm water. Then again clean your hand in the clean water. And dry with a clean towel. So now you can see how my nails are looking good and healthy. So now moving on to the next step, which is apply a hand moisturizer. So here I am applying palm moisturizer on my hand. You can use any of the moisturizer which you have. First, apply the moisturizer on all your nails and then apply it all over your hand. So now I am wearing my rings back, and now you can see guys how my nails are looking. Now it is looking so beautiful and in shape, isn't it guys? So guys, most of the time I don't like to wear any of the nail polish, and I like to keep it simple. But as I am preparing this video, so I'm going to wear one red nail polish which is from Ellie18. And before applying this nail polish, I have already applied one base nail paint on my nails. Guys, now you can see how my nails are looking so beautiful and pretty, and also it is looking so gorgeous, right? So I hope after watching this video you can easily able to give your hands a good manicure without going any parlor. So guys, I hope you will like this video, and if you guys like this video then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this link with your friends and family. Also do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. These are my IDs, and I will guys meet you again on my next YouTube video. Till the time, keep smiling and be safe. Bye bye.